You are going to love the 2025 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, front wheel drive, headlights auto off, mirror memory, remote trunk release, traction control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.